Today I will teach you what to do if you see a fire in your house or your building. Here are the basics of the procedure. So, you started a fire. Maybe you burnt something, like some popcorn. The first thing that you should try to do is put out the fire. There are 3 things that fire needs: heat, fuel, and oxygen. By taking away even one of those things, the fire will stop. Now I will show you how to put out a fire. Fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers can be used to put out a fire, but make sure to check if your fire extinguisher is right for the situation. Some extinguishers are made for wood fires, while others are made for chemical fires. Be sure to read the label quickly before using the extinguisher. Most extinguishers use cold foam to cover the fire, blocking the oxygen and heat that the fire needs. Here is how to use one. Pull out the pin of an extinguisher. Next, walk a meter or 2 away from the fire. Third, aim the nozzle at the fire. Fourth, squeeze together the 2 handles on the extinguisher. Number 5, sweep the nozzle around to put out all the fire present. Number 6, call 000 and wait for some additional help. Now I will teach you how to use a fire blanket. A fire blanket can be used for smaller fires, such as a burning stove. They limit the amount of oxygen available to the fire, stopping the spread of the fire, and sometimes even putting it out. Here is how to use one. Firstly, pull the blanket out of the bag using the tabs provided. Second, walk towards the fire and stretch it out in front of you. Third, put the blanket over the fire, covering it. Fourth, leave it there for about 30 minutes. Fifth, if there is a controllable fuel source, turn it off, such as a gas tap. 6, call 000 and get any firefighters to any remaining fire present. So, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe and give me feedback in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and stay safe.